Hi. Hi. You being adorable? You distracted him.
Hi, Munchkin. Little Munchkin.
There's something in your ear?
There's all these people there.
And you gotta clean your ears really well.
Mm-hmm.
If your elbow can't fit in your ear, you can't put your fingers in it. The doctor's rule. What are you doing? You're a weirdo.
And Turtle.
No. Hi. Yeah. Hello, buddy. He's just staring at the camera.
Mm-hmm.
You are a turd. Don't stare at the camera.
Hi, Munchkin. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good morning. With your very full diaper.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you got hair on your face. Hi. You can't see how you're framed, so I'm hoping it's okay. Hi.
I'm wondering how much my boob is in this.
No, it's not. I've been pretty good about that.
Hi, cutie. Hi, Nikolai. Hi, baby. Yawn, yawn. How do you have another scratch on your face?
Hi, buddy. Hi. Where are you going, huh? Where are you going? Hi. Bring me that hand. Arr. Oh, I'm tired, baby. I'm so tired. You just woke up. How are you so tired? Hi. No. Stop pinching me. That hurts. Do you want a beard? Andrea's my beard. I love Jeff.
Totally.
And Steve. No. Hi. Hello, buddy. Arr. Arr.
Check if you don't make him puke.
I'm not gonna make him puke. If he is, he's pointed at you, so it's fine. Projectile. Go for it, buddy. Go for it, puke. No, no puke. Oh. She's doing a panning frame.
There's a jealous Ishmael behind you.
Ow. Is there? Oh, there is. Ow. That's my elbow. Alright, come here. We're gonna rotate. Ready? Oh, some dog love. Hi, buddy. Lay your back. There you go. Good proper dog bath.
Then Ishmael goes away.
What are you looking at? Why are you looking at the camera? Now you look that way. going on? What's going on? He's got an even furrier face for you to pet. Good boy. Good boy. Your head is still bigger than the baby. How long is it?
5:38:9.
Go ahead and kill it.